Hello.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Rita Nolo. I am 40 years old. I have one child. I am married. My religion is Iglesia Cristo Church of Christ. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. I am fifth in the family. I have 2 years experience here in the Philippines. As a nanny, my duties and responsibilities are washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, marketing, gardening. I love taking care of children, and I treat them as my own child. I give them food on time, I send them to school, and I will take them a bath every day. To my future employer, please choose me as your nanny, as your domestic helper. I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract, and I promise that I will do my job well. Thank you.
Thank you.